Good morning, students. How are you? I think you all are good. So, Standard 6 English Medium, Unit 8. What is the unit name? The unit name is A Game of Chance. I have completed the telling you the story. Now comes to the MCQs. Now see the first MCQ. The narrator is. While starting the poem, continuing the poem, I have seen a picture of a narrator. So narrator looks like a young boy. Who? Young boy. Now comes to the second. This was a fair held on the occasion of. Which occasion was this fair held? So this was the occasion of Eid. What? Eid. Not Diwali, Holi, Christmas, not, but the occasion of Eid. Now comes to the number third. When the uncle met his friends, when the uncle, whose uncle? Bhaiya and Rashid's uncle. Okay? Took them along, sent them away, went away with them, and sent the narrator with them. So when the uncle met his friends, he went away with them. Who? Uncle went away with their friends. And Rashid and Bhaiya, they went their own side and tell him not to buy anything. Okay. Number 4. And don't go far from this place. Now comes to number 4. Bhaiya was. Who was Bhaiya? A domestic servant, the narrator's brother, a man in the crowd, a neighbor of the narrator. So Bhaiya was option A, domestic servant. Who was Bhaiya? Bhaiya was a domestic servant. Now comes to number 5. Uncle was leading us means what? Uncle was a leader. Uncle was the eldest. Uncle gave the order. Uncle was showing us the way. Leading us means showing the way. So option D is the correct answer. Then next. Now see here given. The shopkeeper obliged him, starting with the paragraph. Okay. Here the first MCQ. The shopkeeper's obligation was real, a drama, natural, just what the narrator felt. To oblige him buying it back for ₹15 rupees. The old man went away very pleased. Old man and a boy. Okay, so that was the what? A drama held by a boy and this old man. Okay, so shopkeeper's obligation was a drama. The shopkeeper was buying back the articles because of what? He needed them. He was getting them cheap. He wanted to entice the narrator. He was generous man. So the shopkeeper was buying back the articles because he wanted to entice the narrator, attract the other people with this narrator. Okay, now comes to number 3. Number 3, the narrator was trapped, was able to see through the game, went away from there and called his uncle. So the narrator was trapped because he saw what? The entice of the narrator means the old man and the boy already won the rupees, some things, and gave back to this shopkeeper and took what? Took the money. So the narrator was trapped by whom? Trapped by the shopkeeper. Okay, now comes to number 4. The boy was now The boy was now what? Who boy? Narrator. Alone with his uncle, with Bhaiya, with her friend. So the boy was now with whom? With Bhaiya. The noun form of obliged. So what? Obligation is the noun form of the obliged. D is the correct answer. Then next here, see the paragraph. Then comes to the MCQ. The people were laughing at narrator because what is the reason why the people laughed at the narrator? Of his look, of his dress. He looked a fool. He had lost his money. So see, people were looking at me. Some were laughing at me, my bad luck. Okay, but none showed any sympathy. Bhaiya and I went to the place where uncle had left us and waited him to return. Okay, why? Because he played the game and he looked fool. What? He looked fool. That is why the people laughed at him. The narrator. Okay, the uncle had gone. The uncle had gone with whom? With his friends. Okay, the uncle, whose uncle? Rashi's and Bhaiya. Bhaiya, servant. The uncle, Rashi's uncle, had gone to where? With his friends. The passage has been taken from the lesson. Which lesson? Tarot's reward, different kind of school, fair play or game of chance. So this is the chapter, a game of chance. This passage had taken. Now comes to number 4. The narrator looked upset because some people were laughing. Nobody sympathized with him. He had lost all his money and he was feeling homesick. The narrator looked upset. Why he looked upset? Because, you see, he looked at me and said, Rashid, you look upset. What is the matter? Presently he came. Why? Because he lost his all money. That is why the narrator looked upset. The word presently means. The word presently means in this passage, here given this passage. In this passage, the word given, what? Presently. What is the meaning of this word presently? After a long time. Presently he came, after some time, soon or late. So the answer is soon. What? See, soon. Then next, here given the paragraph. Now see. Uncle was speaking to. Uncle was speaking to whom? You don't know child, uncle said. You don't know child. Who is the child? His nephew. So who? The narrator is the answer. Uncle was speaking to whom? The narrator. Proceed. The friends of the speaker were. The friends of the shopkeeper were. Who were the friends? Two old person. One old man and a boy and a girl, or two young people. So the shopkeeper friends who? One old man and a boy. Okay, they help him and tricking the guest, means the people. Okay, the old man and the boy. Now they got the money. Who? They got the money by cheating, by selling goods, by doing service and gambling. So they means the shopkeeper and this old man and boy. How they got money? By cheating the people. How they cheat? This old man and a boy, what they do? They play the game and won. And other looked at these two, boy and old man. They already got the money. That is why other persons have cheated by playing the game and not won anything. That is why. Number 4. Uncle told him not to tell anybody. because he could not get his money. People have no sympathy. They would be upset. They would also laugh at him. Why? Uncle told him not to tell anybody. Because if he said, the other people, they would also laugh at him. That is why the uncle said not to tell about this situation to anybody. Okay. Now see number 5. The adjective form of foolishness. Foolishness of adjective word is foolish. What? Foolish. Now see, choose the correct option. Choose the correct option. Here, number first, the festival of Eid had what? The festival of Eid had many rotten eatables, many ordinary competitions, a big show, many game stalls. So the festival of Eid had a big show. Okay, a big show. Not many game stalls. There are so many game stalls also and the other stalls also. But it is a festival of Eid had a big show. Number second, Rashid's uncle took them to the fair. Here, them here refers to them. Them who? So here the two brothers, Rashid and Bhaiya, sister and Bhaiya, the two sisters. So here Rashid took them. Who went to the fair? Rashid and Bhaiya. Rashid and Bhaiya is the correct answer. They went to the festival of Eid in fair with uncle. Number third, the uncle instructed them to move freely, to eat pizza, not to buy anything, to buy clothes. So the uncle instructed them what? Not to buy anything, because here there are so many people who will cheat them. That is why uncle said that not to buy anything. Number 4, the lucky shop allowed. Now see the word lucky shop. What the lucky shop allowed? People to try their luck, boys to play the game, losers to take prizes, all to take money. So the lucky shop allowed the people to try their luck and won something. Okay, so first is the correct answer. Now comes to number 5. Rashid was upset because he had made money, he had won prizes, he did not win any prizes, he was sick. So number 3 is the correct answer. He did not win any prizes. Okay, any prize. He did not win any prize. He lost his money. That is why he looked upset. Comes to number 6. The old man and the boy had a lot of money, won big prizes, played tricks, bad intention. So the old man and the boy had what? Won big prizes. Won big prizes. Okay. Here talk about the old man and the boy. They won big prizes, means a lot of money. Playing trick means what? Option A, number 1, cheating. Playing tricks means cheating the others, means the people. Number 8. The shopkeeper had made Rashid a what? Winner, fool, tradesman or losers. The shopkeeper had made Rashid what? Fool. And Rashid lost his all money. So students, these are the MCQs of Unit 8. A game of chance. I hope you understand about these MCQs. Okay, and this MCQ you must write in your notebook. Thank you.